Welcome to my online class. I think you are well by the grace of Almighty during this crisis period of COVID-19. I am Mohanlal Sarkar, Assistant Professor of English, Government Teachers Training College, Jashore. Class B.Ed and B.Ed Honours first semester. Topic: different skills and their classifications of a language. Okay, my question is, how many skills are there in a language? You know, there are some skills in a language. First one, can you guess which skill does it symbolize? Yes, it's listening skill. Next, you can easily guess it is speaking skill. And next one is reading skill. And the last one is writing skill. Okay, so there are 4 skills in a language: listening, speaking, reading and writing. LSRW. Okay, next, skills. So we can divide these 4 skills into 2 categories. They are receptive skills and productive skills. Receptive skills, listening skill and reading skill. These 2 skills are called receptive skills because we receive information from others through these 2 skills. So these 2 skills are called receptive skills. And next, productive skills, speaking skill and writing skill. Through these 2 skills we produce information for others through speaking skill and writing skill. Next, skills. We can divide skills into another categories. They are primary or basic skills, secondary or literate skills. We acquire these 2 skills, listening and speaking, by birth, so they are called primary or basic skills. But reading and writing skills we have to learn. Only literate people can use these 2 skills. So these 2 skills are called secondary or literate skills. Listening skills. The kinds of listening skills: casual listening or listening for gist, and another one is focused listening or listening for a specific information. When we listen but we cannot cite any specific information, only we can cite the gist of listening. This is called casual listening or listening for gist. But when we listen for a specific information, this is called focused listening or listening for a specific information. Speaking skill: controlled speaking and free speaking. If the question starts with auxiliary verb, this is called controlled speaking. Suppose, do you go to college regularly? Yes or no. So it is controlled speaking. And free speaking starts with WH question. Okay, we have to say something to answer the question. Reading skill: reading aloud These the two types of reading skills are practiced in our classroom: reading aloud and silent reading. In our classroom, teachers ask us to read the topic loudly. This is called reading aloud. And when we try to understand anything, most of the time we read silently. This is called silent reading. Writing skill. There are two types of writing skills: controlled writing, guided writing, and free writing. Sorry, there are three types of writing skill: controlled writing, guided writing, and free writing. Okay. And there are two approaches of writing skill: product approach. When we write any memorized thing, this is called product approach. And when we write of our own, this is called process approach. So thank you all. These are the types of different skills. I think you can understand and you will practice it. And your assignment is you have to write down different types of skills and their classifications. Okay, thank you.